Hello everyone, it's Jen from Old Tinkerer Studio. In this DaVinci Resolve Fusion tutorial for beginners, we will learn how to use the TV node to make the flaws seen in analog televisions in Fusion within DaVinci Resolve 16. The links to download DaVinci Resolve 16 and the image are in the description. I would recommend watching my Introduction to DaVinci Resolve Fusion tutorial before continuing on with this tutorial. So let's get on with the tutorial. The TV node in Fusion is used to mimic the flaws that are typically seen in analog television broadcast. We will be making a simple effect that will introduce the TV node in Fusion. In a new project, import the image into the media pool. Drag the image onto the timeline and open the Fusion tab. Use Shift and Spacebar to bring up the search window and search for TV. Clicking on Add will add the node to the node tree. By simply adding the TV node, we can already see the distortion on our image. Let's first explore the Control tab in the inspector. The Control tab allows you to modify the scan lines and image distortion. The Scan Line slider allows you to control how many scan lines appear on the image or video. Zero turns the option off, and 1 means that every other line is dropped. A value of 2 shows one line, then drops the second and third line. The horizontal slider is used to add a horizontal offset to the image. The vertical slider is used to add a vertical offset to the image. Skew allows you to apply a diagonal offset to the image. Amplitude applies sine wave type deformation. Frequency sets the frequency of the sine wave from the amplitude. Offset is used to adjust the position of the sine wave. Now let's look at the Noise tab. The Noise tab allows you to control the noise in the image in order to simulate a weak antenna signal. The Power slider sets the strength of the noise being applied to the image. The Size slider scales up the noise map. And the Random allows you to change the static. The next tab is the Roll Bar tab, which animates the bar. The bar strength controls the strength of the bar. The area that's covered by the bar becomes darker with higher values. The bar size slider increases and decreases the height of the bar. And the bar offset option controls where the bar appears on the image. The last tab is the Settings tab, where all the common controls are found. Blend controls the blend between the original image and the effects. 0 means that you will see no effects, while 1 means you see the applied effects. The process when blend is 0 allows for the tool to still be processed even if the blend is 0. The red, green, blue, and alpha channel selector allows you to limit the effect to a specified color channel. apply mask invert, it inverts the complete mask channel. Multiply by mask multiplies the RGB values of the masked image by the mask channel's values. Use object and use material options are used for file formats that support additional channels such as material ID channels. This is something that is used with 3D file formats. Motion blur toggles the rendering of the motion blur on and off. The Hide Incoming Connections option allows you to hide the effects on specific nodes. The Comments field allows you to add notes to the tool. The scripting fields allow you to add scripts that process when the tool is rendering. Let's now make a quick animation with the image. On frame 1, add a keyframe for all the options available under the Controls tab. Then move ahead a few frames and make some changes. Then repeat this process until you have something that you like. Then go on to further refine the animation using the Noise tab and the Roll Bar tab. Go back into the Edit tab and view the video with your effects applied. If you want to export this video, open up the Deliver tab. Here you can give the video a name and choose a location where you want to save it. You can also choose the format and the codec that you want to use. And you also have other options such as resolution and frame rate. When you have selected all the options, click on Add to Render Queue. Then click on Start Render. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.